Hey there. I don't usually have the chance to do this, but today I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing for some new cards that I just got from the printer. So this is kind of a big deal. Normally I only order these every few weeks, so let's take a look. So I ordered a few sets of cards for the shop, and normally they come flat packed like this. Right? So what we need to do, put that fold in, straightforward enough, right? And I'll do that with all the set. So I have about 20 or so of each in my orders. So there's the first design, some tulips. Second design is a lot of people's favorite, and that is the Queen Anne's lace. So I have these available in a note card as well. They're blank on the inside. So again, fold them. And the other thing with these is they do come with envelopes, so no problem there. And they're suitable for regular postage. The cards are about 4 inches by 5 inches. One of the other new things I'm going to be doing this time around is I'm going to be offering bundles. So when you buy 5 or more, you get 10% off. And when you buy up 10, you get 15% off. Here's another one of my favorite images. Just really love the job my printer does with these. They're Ontario printer. Next set. I thought this is kind of a fun image. You know, if your friend has a bad day and needs cheering up. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh yeah. This was taken in around Brewer Park in the summer. I love this image, especially the clouds and the contrast between the blue and the yellow. Let's see. Oh yeah, this image. This is actually the cover of my webpage. Love that one. Let's see what else we have here. Oh yeah. I think you'll recognize this guy. Got some Biff the Bear ones happening. Okay. And the Canadian Nature Museum had a display for birds of prey, and I thought the image was pretty sharp. So there we go. So again, stayed mostly with local. The one with Biff was actually taken on the train in Britain, but mostly local. And then the idea is when you buy your pack, we have new packaging. It's a cello box they'll fit in. So when you buy 5 or 10, the order will come packed in the cello box, so you'll get your cards and the envelope. Will fit just like so. Just like so. The card box will be sealed, and it'll get one of my stamps on it, so that you know where it came from. Get a nice little file tag. That, so that you know it's from me, and the QR code brings you to my website. So this is what's coming up for the store. Thanks for watching.